There are so many things that go in your favor, that don't go in your favor, which you don't understand. ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम के अंदर भी, ये ध्यान रखिएगा बात, बिकॉज एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू टाइम एंड अगेन, देखिए सब कुछ करके भी एवरीथिंग वाज डन राइट, then you win 10 and then you lose the 11th one. No one is going to remember what you did in the first 10. Everyone is going to talk about what you did in the 11th. The same is with the UPSC exam as well. You will qualify all the stages. You will qualify prelims, you will qualify mains, you will reach the interview. You would have done well in the interview as well, but if you don't find your name in the merit list, people will think that you are a failure. But believe me, that is not how things work. That is not how life works. Success or failure on one day, in one examination, in one cricket match, in one hockey match, in one moment does not define what a person is. And it's very ruthless out there at the international level. It is absolutely ruthless. Some of the sports are extremely ruthless. I read this one book by Abhinav Bindra, the autobiography which he has written. If you read that, then you understand the kind of struggles which he had to go through. First, he went to Sydney Olympics, then he went to Athens Olympics, then he went to Beijing Olympics, and that is when he won the gold. Right? And he lost out twice. But in his sport, he says that the margin is so less. In his game, it is even lesser. इस सब के अंदर तो क्या है कि इतना बड़ा बॉल है, इतना बड़ा विकेट है, इतना बड़ा बल्ला है, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. देयर इट इज लिटरली फाइनेस्ट ऑफ द मार्जिन्स. द स्कोर होवर्स इन शूटिंग एज अ स्पोर्ट. बिल्कुल फाइनेस्ट ऑफ द 0.001 मिलीमीटर के ऊपर गेम चल रहा है वहाँ पे, एज थिन एज योर हेयर स्ट्रैंड. That is the kind of sport which people are playing. So it is but obvious that you will do well at times and you will not do well at times. And that is also one thing. If you read his book, and that is what happened with him when he won the gold, Abhinav Bindra, after that he didn't know what to do, because he believed that I have achieved what I wanted to. इस पूरी ज़िंदगी मैंने इसी के लिए मेहनत की 10-15 साल, अब मैंने अचीव कर लिया. So he felt a vacuum. He retired from the sport. Then he came back again because he said कि I was not feeling the thrill any longer. मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. When you reach the top, when you reach the pinnacle, that is when you actually don't know what is to be done after that. जब आप सबसे ऊपर पहुंच जाते हैं तब सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है आदमी को, क्योंकि पता नहीं होता कि ऊपर का अब कहाँ जाएं. What is the next goal in life? So then he restarted again. He left shooting, then he came back again. The point that I'm trying to make is that even in exam, even in real life, this will happen. Don't expect life to be a bed of roses. It will always, there will be times when you will face success, when you will get failure. At times you will get success when you are not expecting success. At times you will get failure when you are not expecting failure. But this is what life is. You have to live with the reality of the life and just move on. Yes, it hurts, it feels bad. एंड आप भी लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तैयारी कर रहे हैं. मैंने हमेशा ये बात बोली है कि पहली क्लास से मैंने बात बोली है, एग्ज़ाम में सक्सेस होगा नहीं होगा ये किसी के बस की बात नहीं है बताना, है ना. देयर इज़ नो वन हु कैन सी थ्रू दैट क्रिस्टल बॉल एंड कैन टेल वेदर यू विल क्वालिफाई द एग्जाम और नॉट. दिस इज ऑल नॉनसेंस. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच आर आउट ऑफ योर हैंड्स. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स which are dependent on luck, so many other factors which are there, which are beyond your control. You can't be controlling those things. You have to focus on what you can do, which what is in your hands, है ना. कंट्रोल जो आपके हाथ में हैं चीज़ें, उनको कंट्रोल कीजिए, मेहनत कीजिए अपनी तरफ से, सो दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इवन व्हेन सक्सेस डजंट कम टू यू, which is anyway not a guarantee, you at least feel satisfied that I worked hard, that I did what I could to the best of my ability. मैं अपनी तरफ से जितना कर सकता था उतना मैंने किया, है ना. सो दैट इज़ वॉट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वही बस सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. I mean, people may say things. I believe that they fought really well. I think they fought till the last, whatever they could. Their body language never showed that they had given up at any point of time. I think that's the best thing which you expect from when someone is representing a country or when someone is fighting it out for the country. Success or failure and all of these things are just a matter of here and there. Ifs and buts are a lot of things which can happen in life, and you should remember that. ये बड़ा एक important चीज़ है. आपको इससे एक लेसन मिलना चाहिए एग्जाम के लिए कि आप सब कुछ सही करेंगे, तब भी हो सकता है कुछ गलत हो जाए, है ना. डिस्पाइट बीइंग डूइंग एवरीथिंग करेक्टली, डिस्पाइट रीडिंग ऑल द बुक्स, डिस्पाइट सॉल्विंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, थिंग्स मे गो रॉन्ग, हो जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट इज ह्यूमन, बट यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, मूव ऑन, take a lesson from it and do well in life in whatever you are doing. That is what your idea and attempt should be. ये बड़ा important चीज़ है जो सबको समझना चाहिए. Success is not everything. And what is success ultimately? You may you may become an IAS if you're not happy. I always say this. If you're not happy, if you become an IAS, if you're not enjoying what you're doing, so it doesn't matter, then all of this is a waste of time. It's a waste of energy. है ना, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. आप बन जाइए सेक्रेटरी, बन जाइए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर, आप प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया बन जाइए. आप कुछ नहीं है तो क्या फ़ायदा है? And I can show you people, those who are living in the mountains, those who are living an ignorant life, they are completely living a blissful life. They don't have money, they don't have the resources, they don't have the mobile phones, they don't have all the facilities that we have, but yet they are living a very blissful life. So you have to remember that at the end of the day, सबसे important objective ज़िंदगी में इंसान खुशी ही ढूंढता है.